Hey everyone, welcome back to our pharmacy learning series. In today's video, we'll learn about types of dosage forms, a very important topic in pharmaceutics. We'll classify dosage forms based on three categories. 1. Route of administration. 2. Physical state. 3. Sterility. So let's get started. 1. On the basis of route of administration. The first classification is based on the route of administration, how the medicine enters the body. 1. Oral route. Solutions, syrups, suspensions, emulsions, capsules, tablets, gargles, elixirs, linctuses, mouthwashes. 2. Parenteral route. Injections, suspensions, emulsions, implants, irrigation and dialysis solutions. 3. Topical route. Ointments, creams, gels, lotions, liniments, transdermal patches, dusting powders. 4. Rectal route. Suppositories, enemas, creams, and powders. 5. Vaginal route. Pessaries, vaginal creams, and solutions. 6. Ophthalmic or eye route, eye drops, gels, and ointments. 7. Otic or ear route, eardrops, solutions, and creams. 8. Nasal route, nasal drops, sprays, solutions, and inhalations. 2. On the basis of physical forms. The second classification depends on the physical state of the dosage form. Solid, tablets, capsules, powders, granules, suppositories. Liquid, injectable solutions, suspensions, emulsions, syrups, lotions, gargles, mouthwashes, elixirs, nasal sprays. Semi-solid, creams, gels, ointments, pastes. Gas, aerosols and inhalations. 3. On the basis of sterility. The third classification is based on sterility, whether the product is free from microorganisms or not. Sterile dosage forms, parenteral injections, sterile powders for injections, ophthalmic solutions, biological products like vaccines, eardrops, implants, and aerosols. Non-sterile dosage forms, tablets, capsules, syrups, oral suspensions, external liquids, creams, ointments, and gargles. Conclusion. So that's it for today's video on types of dosage forms. Knowing these classifications helps us understand how medicines are designed and delivered effectively to patients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharmacy learning videos. See you in the next one.